Hi guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. This is my favorite time of year when you get to bundle up. Even in Southern California, when it gets down to 55 degrees or worse, we've got to kind of bundle up and put that beanie on. And with that, we've got a holiday gift for you that you get to unwrap early and start using today. That is this little AI-driven tool for generating your scope of work. Inside of your project, inside of your scope of work, you can click this new little button. We will use what we know about your project and the items in your project to create a nice scope of work. You can even customize it further with this little field here, and it will give you something that may be a nice starting point for you to save yourself 10 minutes of typing, or in many cases this may work right out of the box. Give us all of your feedback on it. We'd love to continue to improve it, and let us know how it's working for you. Next up is your sold change orders. Those changes that you've made to your project, items that you've added, items that you've taken away, quantities that you've increased or decreased, those will now show up in purchasing. I know that sounds like a simple matter, but it was a big deal, and we finally rolled that out. So if you use Jetbuilt Purchasing, know that those change orders are now reflected in purchasing. That should really help you out a great deal. And a little bit of housekeeping. We have our 3% price increase coming up December 31st. We all are facing these increases. I know you have had to probably do the same thing at your businesses. We trust that Jetbuilt is providing you great value and that this 3% increase is fair for everybody. Oh, another little thing we've really improved is our search functionality. Inside the builder, when you're adding an item and you search for that item, we've really improved how that search happens. The results you're getting should be better results. They should be more accurate. They should be more what you're looking for. Little things like hyphenated brand names or model numbers are no longer a problem. So with that, I sure hope you enjoy this holiday season. I hope you slow down and you relax and you enjoy it. I hope I can slow down and relax and enjoy it. Until next time, this is Paul Dexter. Cheers.